Hey you, yes you man, run come here quick. Today, me I go read for you from 2 Timothy 3 verses 1 to 5. All people are going to turn in the last day then. Hear God word. But know this, in the last day them, things are going to get hard. People only go business with themselves. And them are going to love money. Them are going to go and bossy and full of themselves. Them are going to cuss out and beat up them one another. And them now go follow what them mother and father say. People now go get thanks for nothing. And them now go have nothing to do with God. Them now go love them one another and nothing we good. Them go talk bad about them one another too. In the last day them, people now go have no control over themselves. And them are go go on like them a wild dog. Them are go turn traitor. And them are go do be careless sitting. People in the last day them are go on like them better than everybody else. Instead of love God, them are go love to do the sitting them where them think are fun. Even if God say no to do them. Them are go on like say them are God people. But them now go really believe in a God. You see them people here? No have nothing to do with them. A God what this? Thank God.